Welcome to day 22, and today's topic is just a continuation of what we have learned yesterday. Yesterday we were talking about aging, and today we will be talking about stress. As aging, stress is also a gift we have been given by modern life. It is a gift of industrialization, it is a gift of modern ways of living life. Why we are stressful? Now stress has become just in fashion. Why? You ask yourself, why are you stressful? Stress is a fearful reaction to the changes we are facing, the change we are facing. And modern society is changing so fast, that's why stress is also becoming a very common word in our day-to-day living. Not only word, it is an experience of each and every one of us. We want to keep pace with the change, and when we are not able to do that, we feel stressful. Now let us come to what we can do to feel less stressful. How to manage stress? There are so many videos, lectures, books on how to manage stress. But today we are going to look towards it through the law of attraction and through the affirmations. If you are thinking and saying something which doesn't feel good, means you are creating a stressful experience. Whatever you are thinking and saying, if that is creating something you don't want, then that is a stress. So in affirmations, what we are learning is to think and say the things, the words that are creating good experiences. And our experience in this moment, our experience today is going to create our future. So after practicing the law of attraction and affirmations, the one thing I have learned, the most important thing I have learned is do something or say something or think about something which makes me feel good. Feel good is the only criteria. Feeling good is the only criteria on which I judge everything in my life. I judge my learning, I judge my living, I judge my expressing, I judge whatever I do on the parameter of how am I feeling while I am doing it. How am I feeling while I am saying it or thinking about it. If I am feeling good, go and do it. If I am feeling good, yes, think in that direction. Learn those things. If you are enjoying that learning, if you are enjoying that doing, if you are enjoying that thinking, then just do it. And stress is exactly opposite to this. Whatever I don't like, whatever I don't enjoy, whatever I don't feel good about when I am thinking or saying or doing, I don't do that. It is so simple, and you can do this. It is so simple, you can practice this. Follow your bliss is the greatest teaching till now I have come across. Whatever I am doing, I follow my bliss. If I am feeling good about it, I just do it. If I am not feeling good about it, I just don't do it. And this is the simplest way of living a stress-free life. Modern society is so stressed out because somewhere we have lost faith in higher power. Do you believe in higher power? The power that created you, the power that created this world, and the power that is sustaining your life. You can call it anything, like you can call it universe, you can call it God, you can call it nature, whatever you will like to call it, but believe in that power. Have faith in that power, that if it has given you life, it has given you everything which is needed to live this life. And once you start believing in that higher power, all the stress has gone. Believe from the root of heart, from the root of your heart. Have faith in that higher power, and that power will provide you everything. Say thank you to that power. Express your gratitude, express your love towards that power, and live your life as stress free as possible, as enjoyable as possible, as happy as possible, as lovable as possible, and see the miracle of life. Enjoy the miracle of life. So I'll see you tomorrow in day 23. Thank you, thank you, thank you.